Okay, top 30 largest cities in Russia. I'm interested only in my only like my city. I don't know. I never been in others, only in my republic. So
Kazan. Kazan is a beautiful city on the banks of the Volga and Kazanka rivers, with a
thanks,
population of
thanks, bro. Thanks.
1,257,000 people. It was founded all the way in the year 1005, which makes it
Yes.
over 1,000 years old. It's the
Mhm.
capital of the Republic of Tatarstan and the cultural center of the Tatar people, and it's best known for its centuries-old
I
Kazan
am.
Kremlin. It's a tourist-friendly city with a beautiful promenade. The local economy is based on petrochemical, engine building, metal and woodworking enterprises. The average salary is $663.
It's very low. Even if it's average, like mostly people got like I don't know 400, maybe 300, 350. I think.
It's one of the best managed cities in Russia.
Even only if you like overworking, you may got this salary like 50 or 500. I'm just trying to convert this to the dollars. Sorry for begging.
For sure. It's clean, it has great roads, a subway system, bicycle lanes, a wonderful city center and promenade, a state-of-the-art soccer stadium with the largest outside screen in the world, a racetrack, and so much more. It's a
You say?
city that impresses and claims to be the third capital of Russia, although I'm sure Novosibirsk and
I think it's must be one first.
Yekaterinburg will argue with that. But some say there might be
Fuck this
a
Yekaterinburg.
little bit of discrimination, and unless you're an ethnic Tatar, you can't build a government career here. The largest ethnic
It's fucking lie. Here, opposite thing. It's discrimination of native Tatars, Tatar people. Like we can use own language because Russians don't know this. So, is it discrimination? I think yes. You can get claim like you're from country, country boy if you speak in your language. So I don't know. There is discrimination. You can read like parliaments in Kazan. There is a lot of Russian people. It's lie. It's fucking lie.
groups in the city are Russians, 48.6%, and Tatars, 47.6%. The population increased by an impressive 13.8% since 2002.
Okay, that's all. Yeah. Man,
And
too small information, I think. But thank you, I guess.